If you're looking to stop recurring charges on Instagram, follow these simple steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. This guide will help you cancel unwanted payments and regain control over your finances. Step 1. Open Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile settings. Step 3. Access settings. In your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines menu in the top right corner, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Manage payments. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Cancel subscription. Find the subscription you wish to cancel and select it. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation of the recurring charge. By following these steps, you can successfully stop any unwanted recurring charges on Instagram. Remember to regularly check your subscriptions to avoid future surprises.